Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about StudyIQ's P2I batches review. So as you know, I have taken this P2I course a year ago in 2024. So today I'm going to talk about all the pros and cons which I have faced as an aspirant in their course. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First of all, it is really affordable. Even if today you are going to purchase it, you will get it in 32,000. So it is a very affordable. You will get handwritten notes, crux, everything, books, and they conduct daily tests, daily and weekly tests, prelims tests, lot of MCQs, and their current affairs are really good. So you will get a comprehensive coverage of content in very low price, which is really good about this course. Okay, second is you will get a mentor, and we will talk about it later. And the third good thing is they have some good faculty. Few good faculties are there which are like really good for your preparations. Okay, like some teachers like Tyagi sir, he's phenomenal. Then Bhuvan Jha sir is good for geography and everything, you know. Then there's Chand Kubba sir. I don't know if he's abhi bhi hai ki nahi, I don't know about it, but he's really good about ethics. Then there's a few more teachers who are really good. And okay, so let's then talk about the cons of this course. Okay, first of all, their content is not enough. Okay, their content is not enough. When I purchased this course in September, I was fully dependent on them for my mains and prelims, everything, but they only covered the prelims perspective, I think, which is not very practical, because if you are not able to clear all your syllabus by December, then I don't think it will help you in your prelims and your mains also. Okay, so they teach very good, but they teach according to your prelims perspective only. So I think it is a very big con of this course. Like up to December or up to my prelims, I haven't studied about the GS4, that is ethics, which is really important, and I haven't covered that. There are many other subjects which I haven't covered, like IR and environment they have covered. IR, social justice, society, world history, these are all mains perspective things, and which you need to cover by January, by at least January. Okay, so I think this is a very big lag they have. Second is, I don't think their content is that good, because they lack lot of things which you will need in a competitive exam. Okay, if you want to top this exam and if you want to get this, you will need some advanced level thing. So this is again second con. Then the third con is few of their teachers, few of their faculty are really slow. Like, you will not enjoy their class. They are very pakau, and I used to watch their lectures in the recorded format, but the plus point is they will give you lots of content, lots of pre-recorded videos which will help you about other sirs also, sir, madams. So you will choose your mentor as you can, you will choose your teacher. So this is a good thing about them. So yeah, overall I think if you are a beginner and you want something very affordable, so you can take this, but I will suggest that you should go for some other coachings also. Like now I am going with Sarthi IS's contents, and I have not taken their course or anything. I am just researching about their content and their structure and that famous mains ready by December plan. So it is really good. They provide good content. They are very structured in their planning, which is really good. So I don't think that if you are in a good level of your preparation, you should take this course. Please don't waste your money, because most of their content you can easily get that from YouTube for free. Like Sashank Tyagi sir, he is teaching in YouTube for free, which is really good content. And one thing also, that they provide the mains perspective thing or the main syllabus after their prelims. Like if even if you clear your prelims, you will prepare for mains in just that between 45 or 50 days, which is a very hectic, because you have your optionals also. So I think you should consider it. Okay, you should reconsider it. I don't know if they have rectify it in their new batches or not, but my experience was not up to that much. Okay, I did not like their approach, I did not like their content, but it's okay. Their books are really phenomenal, their books are really good. Like if you are going to purchase them, then they are like game changers. Okay, they are really good, they are very interactive, and their current affairs are also very good. So their content is really good, but they are not sufficient. Like if you are fully dependent on this coaching now, it's not sufficient. You have to get other sources in it. So it's your call again, whatever you want to do. So I think I have covered all your queries, and thank you for watching, and मिलते हैं next video.